Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is one of the most famous drinks in the world. Milk. Simple, natural, familiar. Many people grow up drinking milk from childhood. Some drink it in the morning. Others use it before sleep. But milk offers more than simple taste. Let's begin with calcium. Milk is known as one of the best calcium sources. Calcium supports strong bones. It also supports teeth. This is why milk is often connected with growth plus development. Another important benefit is protein. Milk contains high-quality protein. Protein supports muscles. Your body uses protein for recovery plus daily function. Then comes your heart. Milk contains nutrients that support circulation. Your cardiovascular system functions more efficiently. Another important area is your brain. Your body needs balanced nutrition for mental performance. Milk supports normal nervous system function. Now let's talk about sleep. Warm milk before bedtime is popular in many cultures. Some people feel more relaxed after drinking milk at night. Another important point is hydration. Milk contains water plus minerals. This helps support body balance. Then comes your skin. Milk contains vitamins that support healthier appearance. Your skin may look fresher over time. Another important benefit is versatility. Milk can be used in coffee, oatmeal, smoothies, healthy meals. This makes it easy to include in daily nutrition. But here is the truth. Not everyone tolerates milk equally. Some people are sensitive to lactose. Others prefer fermented dairy products like yogurt or kefir. Balance always matters. Quality also matters. Now here is the key idea. Simple traditional foods can still support modern health. Nature already provides many useful nutrition sources. Because real health is built from consistent daily habits. Small smart choices. Repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.